Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a very unique family tree for your school project or homework. So first, do some research. So all the school projects start with research. Actually, I had to make a career family tree. I can make any object which is related to a tree, and they told us it had to be creative. So I browsed the internet as usual for ideas. I really didn't want to do a poster because I'd done a lot of posters before. So I put some different words into the search engine, and it gave me more ideas. A few weeks before this project, I had made a blood cell model and I had some materials left from it. This is it! If you want to check out how I made this model, please click the link in the corner. I had a family member who worked in a theatre, so I decided to do a theatre-themed family tree model. All the materials were recycled materials from the supermarket. I did the same thing for my last project. I used some craft materials like the foam board and the floor to give it a little shimmer. First, I picked a nice box which would make the theatre and painted it black, in and out. Imagine separate A4 sheets of paper hanging down from the top of the theatre on different strips of cardboard. There is a small hole in the top of the box where I hung them from, and each sheet of paper had a different profession related to theatre. You could swap them around and put some in the front and some in the back, so then you could see different professions. I used trees as a set since it was called a career tree, and this was matched to the theme of the project, so it was a unique idea and original. I got this idea by once again researching online. There are many inspiring photos on the internet. I had to be creative, but it came out okay. Then I had to put more information about why I picked the profession I searched for. I had to put more information about why I picked the professions that I did. I also used theatre brochures from shops. I wrote more inside the brochures, and if you open them up, you can read more about professions backstage. So, did I win? Oh yeah, there was a competition. And I came third. Others made posters or actual tree models and put the details on leaves or booklets or cards which were shaped as leaves. I'm very proud of my idea, and you are more than welcome to use my idea, but maybe make it your own? There are free materials available in the supermarket, so it's best to use recycled free items. Well, in the end, the model would go into the bin, but you can still use it for a better cause before. Please comment down below what you think about my idea, and subscribe and check out my other videos about school projects. The links are all here in my channel. Thank you and see you soon. Bye!